everyone! Ako si Louie at welcome sa Communication with Louie. The one and only, of course. Don't confuse that. Baka biglang maging communication with John or Maria. That's not my name at all. Welcome. There's something new that I will do in my class. Ako nagtuturo sa Colegio de Muntinlupa, handling communication courses. At ngayon, I will record myself para hindi na tayo paulit-ulit. And also, this one is gonna be very helpful for students and so that they will have educational resources. Yes, you heard it right. At isa pa sa mga bagay na gagawin kong new ay ang magsasalita ng English at Tagalog mixed. So that's gonna be bilingualism. Yeah boy, bilingualism. I will utilize both English and Filipino or Tagalog to better help you in the different lessons I'll teach. Pero, yes, pero, ano nga ba ang bilingualism? Para sa beginners at mga hindi nakakaalam, ang bilingualism ay ang ability to speak and understand two languages. At para sa konteksto natin, ito ay ang Tagalog at ang English. Nakikita ko kasi na ang bilingualism ay relatable sa young audiences. At nandito tayo sa situation wherein ang ginagamit na talaga na wika ay hindi in separate na English o Filipino. It's a combination of two. That's Taglish. At naalala ko nga ang sinabi ni Nelson Mandela, if you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. But if you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. And I want to hit that heart. Not technically, I might be going to Rosa if I do that. Well, this is about making sure that our lessons are going to be authentic to your core and that you will realize its benefits. Isa lang ang caveat na gusto kong may parating. We must not call ourselves non-native language speakers. Because if we focus on our deficiency, on us being non-native, then it's gonna be difficult for us to appreciate on what we have. Therefore, I wanna lean on dito sa name na bilingual learners. We have all these blessings of languages and that's where we need to highlight. Malaki ang tulong na ginagawa ng bilingualism o bilingual education. First, in terms of cognitive aspects, alam nyo ba, ulitin ko katulad ni Kuya Kim, alam niyo ba na ang bilingual learners ay magaling pagdating sa multitasking at problem solving? Studies show na ang pagsiswitch ng lengguwahe ay parang mental exercise. Parang kang nag-workout nito. Pero ito ay sa utak mo. Pangalawa, bilingualism combats purists. Yung mga tipo ba na gustong English lang or Tagalog lang. Pero ganito yan eh. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi mo madedevelop ang fluency mo dito sa isang language kapag gumamit ka ng bilingualism. Kasi studies show na may advantage ito in terms of learning. At lalo na in your career. Maraming companies ngayon na naghahanap ng bilingual employees. Kasi they can communicate better with a diverse range of clients. Besides, ang language ay palaging nagbabago. It's fluid. It's not stagnant. Kaya kapag you focus on language being pure, nako, medyo magkakaroon tayo ng problema dyan. Kung ang English ay hindi pure, at hindi madaling humiram ng mga salita mula sa ibang wika, Mula pa nung unang panahon, baka hindi na natin ito sinasalita ngayon. Sa pagbabasa ko, nalaman ko na ang bilingualism ay tinuturing na masama para sa development ng mga kabataan. Ano bang kind of thinking yan? Maybe because sa mga gossip o kung ano-ano mang hinuha. Ang paniniwala nila ay mawawala na ng espasyo yung isang wika na inaaral kung meron ng isang wika na nandoon. Iniisip nila na ang pagsasalita ng dalawang language o pag-aaral ng dalawang ito ay maaring makahadlang para sa success in those languages at sa academics. Pero sa kasamaang palad, hindi ito totoo. Bakit kasamaang palad? Dapat nga, it's a blessing. Kasi scientifically, in the different studies of the brain and also educational research, napatunayan na it's not true. It's not harmful. Instead, it's beneficial. Ito ay nagsimula pa noong research, kahit noong 1962, ni na Peel and Lambert, na ang mga natututo gamit ang bilingualism ay may mas mataas na mental flexibility. Alam ko gusto nyo yun Mental flexibility, yan, may mahusay na concept formation at may mas diversified na mental abilities. Kumpara doon sa mga natututo lamang na isang language lang o monolingual. So, there you have it guys. Ang daming benefits ng pagiging bilingual o maski multilingual. And I'm not being a purist here. And that's because I see that it's helpful. It's actually not about speaking different languages. It's more of us being comfortable para mas maging maayos ang ating communication. At all these things, can open a lot of doors for you. Kaya, if may chance kayong matuto gamit ang bilingualism, then grab it! Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Marami pa kayong mga makikita on this channel. Kita-kits ulit next time. Bye-bye!